Is it time to buy or sell Target stock? In this video, we will delve into Target. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, the 1st of October, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by exploring our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 1st of October, 2025, our system has ranked Target as a sell candidate, giving it a score of -2.53. Let's examine the stock's performance during this period. We will continue to monitor this evaluation to see how it progresses in the coming days. The stock is positioned within a broad and declining trend in the short term, indicating further potential for decline within this trend. The current 3-month trend suggests a possible change of -17.37% over the next 3 months, with an anticipated return varying between -21.83% and -11.22%. In a longer-term view, our 12-month analysis forecasts a projected change of -40.31%. According to our calculations, the stock's performance may fluctuate between -46.72% and -33.89% over the upcoming year. This would imply a future price range of approximately between $47.49 and $58.93. Our latest daily update for Target includes the headline Target stock downgraded to sell candidate. The Target stock price declined by approximately 0.624% on the last trading day, Wednesday, the 1st of October, 2025, decreasing from $89.70 to $89.14. During this trading day, the stock experienced fluctuations of 2.55%, with a low of $87.26 and a high of $89.49. Notably, the price has increased in 6 out of the last 10 days and has risen by 0.24% over the past 2 weeks. Meanwhile, trading volume decreased on the last day alongside the stock price, which is generally considered a positive indicator, as volume typically follows price trends. On that day, trading volume fell by 6 million shares, with a total of 10 million shares exchanged for approximately $847,100,000. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $161.50, while the lowest price was $86.30. Currently, the price sits 44.8% or $72.36 below the 52-week high and 66.86% or $179.84 below the all-time high reached on the 15th of November, 2021, when the price peaked at $268.98. Target is back in focus today as discussions regarding the retail Big Three and increased investor attention intersect with macroeconomic uncertainty. In the short term, news of a government shutdown and rising pessimism surrounding consumer-facing companies may put pressure on Target's shares. Expect heightened volatility, increased trading volume, and the possibility of declines if consumers tighten their budgets and discretionary spending slows. Caution in the options market and negative news could enhance short-term flows from momentum investors and those seeking to avoid risk. Over the longer term, however, much depends on Target's ability to execute effectively. This includes managing inventory, maintaining margins, achieving growth across channels, and retaining market share. Sustained interest from investors can be a double-edged sword. While it improves liquidity and can lead to rapid reevaluations of the stock when results surpass lowered expectations, it also raises the bar for the company to meet these heightened expectations. In summary, there is a near-term risk of weakness driven by headlines, while the longer-term potential is tied to the company's fundamentals and execution. Active monitoring of sales trends and profit margins will be crucial for investors. Analyst ratings. On Wednesday, the 17th of September, 2025, it was reported that Wolfe Research assigned TGT a grade of underperform along with an initialize action. On Friday, the the 22nd of August, 2025, Citigroup rated TGT as neutral with a hold action. On Wednesday, the 13th of August, 2025, Truist Financial gave TGT a grade of hold and recommended a hold action. On Tuesday, the 29th of July, 2025, Piper Sandler rated TGT as neutral with a hold action. Lastly, on Thursday, the 17th of July, 2025, Wedbush rated TGT as outperform with a hold action. Analysts have assigned Target stock a general buy rating. They assess the price-to-earnings ratio as buy and the price-to-book ratio as sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts provide the stock with a strong buy rating. The following signals have been identified for Target. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Monday, September 22, 2025, and so far it has risen approximately 3%. Further gains are indicated until a new top pivot is established. Additionally, there is a buy signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. However, some negative signals have also been issued, which may influence short-term developments. The Target stock currently holds a buy signal from the short-term moving average. Conversely, the long-term average indicates a general sell signal. Since the long-term average is above the short-term average, this creates a general sell signal for the stock, suggesting a more negative outlook. Should the stock experience further gains, it will encounter resistance from the long-term moving average at $93.62. Conversely, if the stock declines, it will find support from the short-term average at $88.29. A breakout above the long-term average would trigger another buy signal, while a fall below the short-term average would introduce an additional sell signal and reinforce the overall negative trend. Notably, volume decreased alongside the price during the last trading day, which reduces the overall risk as volume typically follows price movements. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, buy signal. Pivots, buy signal 8 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 21 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal 7 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal 31 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages, buy signal 30 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, sell signal 31 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 29 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages, buy signal 18 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Target. Target finds support from accumulated volume at $88.31, and this level may present a buying opportunity as an upward reaction is anticipated when the support is tested. This stock typically trades at a significant volume, and with minimal daily fluctuations, the risk is regarded as low. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by $2.22, which is a 2.55% change between its high and low. For the past week, the stock has experienced an average daily volatility of 2.28%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for Target, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This crucial ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its per-share earnings. A relatively low PE ratio could signal a low expectation for the future of the company, or that the stock is undervalued, indicating a potential buying opportunity. In other news, the next earnings report for the fourth quarter of 2025 is expected on the 19th of November, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at $1.80. Keep an eye on these numbers, as they can greatly impact stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Target. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Target is at $89.70. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Target encounters its first support level at $88.31. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Target from multiple analyst sources is buy. The most recent insider trade for this stock is older than 3 months. The latest trade occurred on the 10th of June 2025 when Matthew A. Legal conducted an insider sale of 2,044 shares of common stock. We hold a negative evaluation for this stock, and there is no stop loss established. Is Target stock a good buy? Currently, Target shows several negative indicators, leading us to believe that its performance will remain weak in the coming days or weeks. Consequently, we maintain a negative evaluation of this stock. Due to minor weaknesses in the technical analysis, we have revised our conclusion from a hold to a sell recommendation since our last assessment. After examining the volatility and movements from the most recent trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Thursday, the 2nd of October, we anticipate that Target will open lower by approximately 51 cents, starting at $88.63. We remind you that trading involves a significant risk of losing money, and it is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any purchases or sales of securities. You should not base your investment decisions on StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you agree to take responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.